Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore some simple yet effective steps to clean up and customize your dock on your Mac. The dock is a powerful tool on your Mac's desktop, but its usefulness depends on how well you clean it up and tailor it to your needs. Let's start by decluttering your dock. Chances are, you have apps in your dock that you rarely use. Removing them doesn't mean you can't use those apps. It just means they won't clutter your dock. To do this, simply click and drag each unwanted app upward until you see the remove indicator, then release. Your choices here are entirely personal. Customize your dock based on the apps you use most frequently. Next, you will want to add the apps you use regularly. Open a Finder window, navigate to the Applications folder, and drag the apps you want into your dock. Position them in an order that makes sense for your workflow. You can always rearrange them later. Keep in mind that everyone's dock will look different because it is tailored to their unique needs. For apps you have removed from the dock, you can still access them quickly via Launchpad. To open Launchpad, you don't need to click it. Simply click and hold or Control-click on the desktop. This reveals a list of all your apps. So, even if you remove apps from the dock, consider keeping Launchpad there for easy access to all your apps. System Settings is another important tool. While you can click it to launch system preferences, you can also click and hold or Control-click to access different sections directly. Placing it near Launchpad in the dock views give you a quick access to system preferences, making it feel a bit like the Windows Start menu. This arrangement offers convenient access to both apps and system settings. On the right side of your deck, you might see 3 recent apps you have used. Even if they are not normally in your dock, they are handy, but they consume screen space. You can disable this feature by going to System Settings, then Desktop and Dock, and toggling off the option. Your dock will still display currently running apps to the right, but they will disappear once you quit them. To the right of the line next to the trash can, you might have added files and folders to your dock. Apps go on the left and files and folders go on the right. If you no longer need a file or folder in this section, you can easily remove it, just like any other item in the dock. However, consider adding a link to your Documents folder. This single item provides quick access to your essential documents. Configure it for list view, displaying as a folder, and sorting by your preferred criteria. Now, you have easy access to all your documents and can navigate through subfolders using keyboard shortcuts for increased efficiency. The dock doesn't have to be always visible. Taking up screen space, you can change that by going to System Settings, then Desktop and Dock. Enable Automatically Hide and Show the dock into. Now, the dock only appears when you move your pointer to the bottom. You can still bring it up using the keyboard shortcut like the globe key and A. Moreover, you can adjust the dock size. If you have cleaned it up and have only few icons, you can set it to a small size to minimize its visual impact. Additionally, you can position the dock on the left or right side of the screen instead of at the bottom, depending on your preferences and workflow. Taking a few minutes to customize your dock can save you valuable seconds throughout your workday. Small optimizations can lead to a significant boost in productivity. I hope you found these tips helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.